Hello, I'm Dr. Aarti Soman. I am an Ayurvedic physician practicing Ayurveda for last 10 years. I'm also working as a technical lead and a formulator for an Ayurvedic company, Nisarga Herbs. First of all, I am grateful to Mompreneur Circle for giving me this opportunity to share my views. So today I'm here to share my views or thoughts about Ayurvedic remedies or herbs that could enhance your child's lung capacity to fight against air pollutants. As we know that children are more vulnerable to breathing in polluted air than adults as they breathe rapidly and required to do so because they are more active physically while playing. Their airways are smaller and they are still developing. If a child breathes higher levels of air pollutants over a longer period, he might be at a risk of getting various lung disorders and breathing related issues. Such children have a greater tendency of developing asthma and allergic reactions. And if a child is already having asthma, it would get more worse due to air pollution. Symptoms like wheezing, coughing, or congestion in the chest recurrently is seen in the children, and as they grow older, infections like pneumonia or fibrotic changes are also seen. The largest portion of child's lung will grow long after he or she is born. 80% of their tiny air sacs, known as alveoli, develop after birth. Alveoli are the one where the life-sustaining transfer of oxygen to the blood takes place. The lungs and their alveoli are not fully grown until children become adults. Also, the body's defense system that helps adults to fight off infections are still developing in young bodies. Children have more respiratory infections than adults, which also seems to increase their susceptibility to the air pollution. There are certain things that we can do to manage this impact of air pollutants on our child. First, we can improve the children's immunity against air pollutants, and secondly, we can strengthen their lungs capacity to fight these air pollutants. Regular detoxification and cleansing of lungs can be of great help to get rid of environmental toxins, irritants, and other harmful organisms. It also helps to improve lung function, reduce swelling, inflammation, and strengthens your lung capacity. Regular cleansing also helps to clear mucus from the trach or airways and improve circulation in the lungs. This can be achieved by using herbs like turmeric, neem, amla, etc. To strengthen immunity, children need to be given a diet which is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral herbs or food to protect the body from the effect of pollutants. So here I would like to suggest some of the Ayurvedic herbs that are best known to improve your child's lung capacity by working as anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agents. First I would like to talk about turmeric. Turmeric is well-known superfood that improves overall quality of life in an individual. Turmeric is well-known spice used in our daily cooking, but we rarely know that daily consumption of turmeric helps in reducing inflammation in the air passage and removes congestion caused due to irritants of dust particles. Moreover, the presence of compounds like curcumin, the turmeric, helps in cleansing our lungs naturally, and it also detoxifies the body. It further helps in strengthening our immune system. You can eat raw turmeric, or you can just use powder form in the milk or add a pinch of it to your herbal concoction to keep diseases at bay. Turmeric can help your body neutralize free radicals like superoxides or hydrogen peroxides, and neutralizing these free radicals may also help in reducing inflammation in the lungs. Thus, turmeric can be of great use in improving lung capacity in children to fight against pollutants. Flax seeds. Omega 3 fatty acids help to boost your immune system by supporting functions of immune cells. Omega 3 protects your body against infections. Flaxseed is known to be full in omega 3 fatty acids and magnesium. Studies have shown that omega 3 has a positive impact on asthmatic patients, and that the magnesium helps to relax bronchi muscles so that they remain open to receive air without constricting. A rich source of omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids, flax seeds helps to protect your body from bacteria and viruses, improving your system's immunity. It also helps in reducing inflammation because of its anti-inflammatory properties, and flax seeds help in preventing asthmatic attacks as well. It contains phytoestrogens and due to its antioxidant properties reduces symptoms of allergic reactions in the lungs. Neem, with the antibacterial and antifungal properties, builds immunity while cooling down your body. It detoxifies and removes the impurities from the blood. Neem trees are known for reducing air pollution by trapping gases or gaseous materials and dust. Their leaves are equally beneficial for health when used internally also. Neem has excellent antibacterial qualities that help in detoxifying your lungs and respiratory system. Consuming 3 to 4 neem leaves on daily basis with jaggery will help to purify your body deeply. Ginger helps to remove toxins from the respiratory tract. It also has vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, zinc and beta carotene. One of the most widely used home remedies to cure cough and cold is ginger tea. Ginger tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the lungs. You can use ginger in the form of linctus by adding ginger with honey and ghee, or simply making a nice kadha out of it, or just a ginger juice with honey. Ginger offers many health benefits to the lung. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, ginger causes bronchodilation in asthmatic patients. Thus, lung function is improved and capacity of the lung is also increased. It has been a tradition to keep a tulsi plant in the yard for every Indian home. One should know that fragrance of tulsi is really soothing. It spreads high amounts of oxygen, and drinking tulsi concoction is vastly recommended to avoid respiratory issues. Eating 3 to 4 tulsi leaves daily can help to improve your lung capacity to fight against pollutants. You can give tulsi tea in children by adding jaggery to it. Tulsi is also known as a very useful herb to reduce all kinds of viral infections or lung infections. Pimpli, known as a super herb, Pimpli is also famous for purifying lungs. It is considered to be a rejuvenator for lungs, and it helps in relaxing blood vessels, and therefore it increases circulation, especially in lungs. Consuming a nice mixture of 1 tablespoon of ginger and the same amount of turmeric with a pinch of pimpli powder and 1 tablespoon of honey with a lukewarm water would be very useful in detoxifying the lungs. Following this for a week will help to reduce effects of air pollution. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogenic herb, and it also helps in building up or strengthening your lungs. It helps in removing toxins from the lungs. Ashwagandha is a rejuvenator, and it is well-known Rasayana herb in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha helps to build up healthy respiratory system and a strong immunity. Thus, it is also helpful in detoxifying your lungs. Encouraging your child to play with instruments like flute or harmonica is a great way to improve breathing and lung capacity. It teaches them how to control breath as well as expand lung capacity utilizing all the alveoli. Blowing bubbles is also a great way to help children stay amused as well as improve their lung capacity and fight against the lung infections. Regular exercise is a great way to increase stamina and lung capacity. Exercises like swimming, cycling, running can keep your heart rate up for longer and cause harder breathing, improving your lungs capacity to breathe. Breathing exercises or pranayam for small children is also recommended as it improves lungs capacity, and breathing practices it helps in exhaling toxins out of the respiratory tract. So these are some of the remedies or the herbs that could be very useful in your child to improve his lung capacity to fight against air pollutants.